But if we're being honest, it would be like trying to put out fire with gasoline. Geologists warn that trying to bomb a volcano might actually make things worse. A lot worse. The explosion of the bomb, mixed with the buildup of pressure inside a volcano, could amplify the eruption. The force would release even more ash and lava, spreading it even further than it would have gone with the volcano's own power. And that's if we managed to hit the target. If the nuke missed its target, there's still a nuclear bomb being dropped in an area where people live, or at least near enough that they would feel the effects of the radiation.